Facing the exam, some students are confident and are able to pass their exam with ease. Some might feel anxious about dealing with the exam because of their lacking preparation. And some may fail to pass the exam and even get stuck in the emotion, so they have difficulty in getting out of the failure. No matter how the result is, you should have a positive attitude to face it. Mental strong people should take responsibility for your behavior. Moreover, life is a long journey and not only an exam. Life is a constant learning process. Maybe every experience and failure is designed to make you meet better people and things. So the rest of your life is precious and don't waste it. Hope every person who works hard has a bright future.